All right, good morning, Team Rivan. So this morning we will be discussing how to get certified in Red Hat Systems Administrator certification, technically for free. Okay, so the reason we're doing this, even though we identify as network engineers, is that a lot of our students, when they apply, they usually ask, "Are you Cisco certified?" After which, the question is, do you know Linux? And the most important, most sought after Linux skills is Red Hat. So let's get started. All right. So step one, we go to this website, developers.redhat.com. We try to log in. So let's register for a Red Hat account. Okay. So while waiting, so this is the Red Hat account. So we will be using any email. So I have a account here. So please remember the values, especially the login. Don't forget that name. We'll be using that later. Okay, so put the email address. Okay. Cisco Big Buyer. Job role, developer. Type in your password. So agree for the everything. So you may not want to put that in. So it's asking for verification. So you just click that one. Now go to your email. Okay. So there's the verification for the Red Hat. Click the link and make sure you click finish. Double click if it's still, waiting for the login. Yeah. Done. Now, we close this one and go back to your Red Hat account. Okay. And try to log in using your newly created account, which is this one. Go next. Type in the password. Log in. Okay, very good. After logging in, the most important aspect of this whole thing is subscriptions. Because this allows you to register without paying Red Hat for any fees. So this would be personal, of course. Okay, so submit. Okay, wait for it to pop up. Oh, sorry. You may not need to do that. Okay, one more time. Okay, fine. So you just put this as back again. Boop, boop. Company title. So you go here. Type in your address. Okay. Click on submit. Oh, personal. Okay, yeah, I know. Oh, it's a different password. Okay, one more time. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, errors do happen. Fortunately, now we are here. This is another important thing. You just have to agree and click on submit. Oh, okay. Yeah, you have to check that one and click submit. Now this is important because later on you will see that they would need you to read the terms for the subscription to work. Good. Now we are in active subscription, so you don't have to buy anything. So as you can see, we have 2 subscriptions here. No, it will expire next year, so we can actually use this subscription in our laboratory. Okay, so if we click that one, you have your Redhat account. Okay, so for now we'll just stick with this demo, and for the part 2 we will be using our subscription. Thank you.